Winds are rising down the canyon walls, shaking windows in the quiet halls. Lightning dances through the heavy night, casting shadows in its silver light. Homes once calm now tremble in the rain, as the sky reveals its hidden strain. What was steady starts to shift and sway, calling hearts to face a different way. When the storm breaks through, everything feels new. Even solid ground may not hold as sound, yet within the roar, strength begins to soar. Change can shake the view, but it clears the truth. Thunder echoes through the lavish dome, showing that we're never fully known. Comfort shatters in a single beat, as the storm rolls through the narrow street. Still beneath the surge of wind and fear, something rises sharp and clear. A deeper courage starts to grow, rooted where the heart can know. When the storm breaks through, everything feels new. Even solid ground may not hold as sound, yet within the roar, strength begins to soar. Change can shake the view, but it clears the truth. Everything feels new.